Hey everyone, welcome back to Acura, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts who appreciate cutting-edge automotive design and performance. Today, we dive deep into the stunning exterior of the 2025 Acura, a masterpiece of engineering that redefines modern luxury and performance. The 2025 Acura stands as a bold evolution of its predecessors, featuring a streamlined silhouette that blends aerodynamics with aggressive styling. The front fascia is dominated by a massive diamond pattern grille, seamlessly integrated with adaptive LED headlights that create a striking presence on the road. The hood features subtle contour lines that not only enhance its muscular stance but also improve airflow for better efficiency. The side profile is sculpted with precision, flaunting bold character lines that run from the front fender to the rear, emphasizing its dynamic motion even at a standstill. Every curve and edge of the 2025 Acura serves a purpose beyond aesthetics. The active aerodynamics include an automatically adjusting front splitter and a rear spoiler that deploys at high speeds, optimizing downforce and stability. The lightweight alloy wheels are not just for show, they are engineered for maximum strength and performance, wrapped in high-performance tires designed for superior grip and handling. At night, the 2025 Acura truly comes alive with its state-of-the-art lighting system. The ultra-slim OLED taillights create a futuristic visual signature, stretching across the entire width of the rear for a seamless, high-tech appearance. The LED matrix headlights adapt dynamically to traffic conditions, providing optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Side mirrors are replaced with high-definition cameras, reducing drag while offering a crystal-clear view of the surroundings. This latest iteration of the Acura pays homage to its legendary predecessors while pushing boundaries in design and technology. Inspired by classic coupe proportions and infused with modern aerodynamics, it strikes the perfect balance between heritage and innovation. Over the years, Acura has refined its exterior language to create a vehicle that exudes confidence, power, and elegance. The 2025 Acura is not just a car. It is a statement of precision engineering and groundbreaking design. From its aggressive front grille to its sculpted side panels and aerodynamic rear, every detail is meticulously crafted to deliver performance, luxury, and style. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Acura for the latest updates in the automotive world. See you in the next video.